Well, and Duplicator 8 and I was trying to print something and it did print out, so I'm trying to first remove it and hopefully I can get it out here. And as you see, is a Rhino, and it was printed on Duplicator 8, and and surprisingly actually it moves, you know, because I did print this on FDM printers, and as you know it can move after the printing finish is done. I didn't expect it that much from a resin printer, but actually as you see it's done perfectly. And after you remove it from building platform, you can see how precise it is and not sticky. Then it moves, and I printed this on 50 micron, and if I'm not wrong 5 seconds for per layers. And the fun thing, if you just let me put this down, and do you know where's the fun part? On Duplicator 8 actually, unlike Duplicator 7, you don't need when you go for a print. Let's try for example, I go on CWS by USB, so I have my files here inside the USB. And what was the one I was printing? The elephant. And as you see the files, unlike Duplicator 7, when you want to print something, for example, let's try this again, and as you see around roughly 3 hours, 4 hours for a print, and 720 layers on 50 micron. And when you press print, unlike Duplicator 7, the building platform home itself, and you don't need to home the building platform first and then go for print. So when you press print directly, and the building platform goes for homing, and I kind of like it. So you don't need to bother yourself first. I don't know, for many reasons you save time, and you don't need to. And once you calibrate the building platform, as long as you don't remove it from the printer, I don't think for long you don't need to loosen the screws and calibrate the building platform. So that would be good. And again, unlike Duplicator 7, you don't need to home the printer first and then start the print. And you see it starts printing. For now, 0 layers. And I printed this cute Rhino on Duplicator 7, Duplicator 8, and I haven't washed it, so it can look even better.